A Visa gift card balance can be turned into cash by using PayPal as a transfer tool. The process links the card to your PayPal account and moves the balance out as a bank transfer. This method works because PayPal accepts prepaid Visa cards as a payment source. Once linked, the gift card balance can be sent to another PayPal account and then withdrawn to a bank account. Step 1. Register the gift card. Register your Visa gift card with your name and billing zip code. Visit the website printed on the back of the card to complete this step. Registration is required for online transactions. Step 2. Link the card to PayPal. Open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log into your account. Go to your account settings and select the section labeled Banks and Cards. Choose the option to link a new card. Enter the gift card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV security code from the back of the card. Save the card to your PayPal account. Step 3. Send the balance to another account. Return to the PayPal home screen and select Send Money. Send the balance to a trusted friend, family member, or another PayPal account you control. Make sure the Visa gift card is selected as the payment method before completing the transaction. Step 4. Transfer to your bank account. Once the funds appear in your PayPal balance, transfer the money to your linked bank account. Standard bank transfers are usually free but take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers are available for a fee. Limitation: this method works best for prepaid Visa gift cards that are activated and registered with a name and billing address. Some gift cards may not be accepted by PayPal. This process is intended for personal use and may be limited by PayPal account verification and transaction limits. Some transactions may include small fees depending on the transfer type. Conclusion: linking a Visa gift card to PayPal and sending the balance to another account allows the funds to be transferred to a bank account. The gift card must be registered, and PayPal may charge fees for instant transfers. Standard transfers are free but take longer.